Hi everyone, so in today's video we'll be working on a BMW Z4 coupe. The plan for today is to install this retrofit kit for a Bluetooth adapter on the stock radio. This will give that stock looking radio the functionality of a newer one while also retaining the stock look of the dash. Let's get started. So now in the car we can see the factory radio. I think it's really important to retain the factory look that just goes with the rest of the dash, and this little device is going to let us do that. I'm going to first begin by taking this vent off. There's going to be two clips up here and then two down here. I don't know. Oh, here we go. I think I got it. Yep. The vent's a little difficult to get off. You have these two metal tabs here that need to be pressed down. That's where I put the screwdriver in here. You want to be very careful not to damage this vent. I'm very lucky I did not. And then down here you also have these pins here. That's going to sit right behind here and keep the bottom section held down. Next step, we're going to take these two Phillip heads off, and then we should be able to slide the radio back and have access to the back. And there we go. Here you can see the back of the stock radio. This is our wire harness, and this I believe is our antenna. We're not going to be touching this at all, but we will be removing this guy. I'll pull that forward, like that. Alright, we're going to take the female end and stick it in here. And then we'll take the male side, like this, and then stick this into the back of the radio. There we go. I'm now going to be pretty careful to feed this back into the car. Alright, the radio still works. And now when we turn it on and hit mode, we'll go to aux. I'm going to pull my Bluetooth menu up. And I have a JRU BT5905. I'm going to click on this, see if we can pair it. Pair. Now you can go to your favorite YouTube channel, click on it, and we have Bluetooth audio. So the last thing to do is rename this device. I'm going to go ahead and name it BMW Z4 Coupe. And with that, we now have working Bluetooth in our BMW Z4. Thanks for watching everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please leave them below. And you guys have a good day.